Before drawing this beautiful Disney character, journey with me as we pass through and explore the damp and dreary castle of the evil queen, Snow White's stepmother. Understanding a cartoon's personality and feeling the atmosphere of the character is an important part of drawing. Before drawing, I try to learn a little bit about the character and hope that what I learn creates a feeling to help generate a picture worthy of its intent. A cruel, ruthless monarch and Snow White's stepmother, the queen is more preoccupied with being the most beautiful in the land than with governing her subjects. Every day she asks the magic mirror who is the fairest in the land, and every day the mirror assures her that it is she. Indeed, the queen is beautiful, but her expression is sour, and so is her mood. The queen has been jealous of Snow White's beauty ever since Snow White was a young girl. When the magic mirror tells the queen that Snow White is more beautiful than she, the queen flies into a fit of rage. She will do anything to be considered the most beautiful, even murder her stepdaughter. The queen possesses strong magic, which she uses to disguise herself as the witch and tries to kill Snow White. Although she succeeds in tricking Snow White into eating a poisoned apple, the witch is chased off a cliff by the Seven Dwarfs. Ironically, as a result of her magic, the queen dies not as the most beautiful woman in the land, but as the ugliest. I hope you enjoy these storytelling, art lesson combination videos. If so, please give a thumbs up and subscribe. Even if you don't draw, you may like learning a bit about the characters I draw for you. If you use this video to learn to draw the character, please slow or pause the video as you see fit. To obtain a smooth, solid color on my pictures, I use Microsoft Paint program. This also allows me the freedom to add shading in of colors. Of course, you can use whatever works best for you.